Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Stunning, Jeff Sessions cited the wrong law when he recused himself from Russian witch hunt, took advice from Obama lawyers. Now, in March of 2017, Attorney General Jeff Sessions announced he will recuse himself from the investigations related to the 2016 presidential campaign, including the alleged Russian interference in the 2016 election. And Sessions made the announcement the day after he was sworn in as Attorney General after advice from Obama lawyers in the Department of Justice. Now, on Wednesday night, Fox News contributor and legal expert Gregg Jarrett told Sean Hannity that Sessions used the wrong law when announcing his recusal. He took advice from Obama officials and they misled him.
About these reports tonight, Sara, what are you hearing that possible Trump administration changes of McMaster and at the VA and at the Chief of Staff and the Attorney General? Go ahead.
Look, I think the President Trump sent a very clear message with, and I know this from talking to sources, with the firing of Rex Tillerson. He's sending a message across the board to everyone, even allies overseas. He's saying, you either work with me, but if you're working against me behind my back, I know this. And if you're not going to work with me on this, then we're going to get rid of you. And if you're not doing your job, then we're taking you out of your...
Politically speaking, won't the country explode if Jeff Sessions is out? I mean, look, I understand the president's frustration about the recusal. I don't believe Jeff Sessions should, if he knew he was going to recuse himself, he never should have taken the position. Because without that recusal, none of this happens.
He betrayed the president. He knew when he was sworn in he was going to recuse himself because he testified that the very next day he put the recusal in motion. He never told the president about that. And by the way, he cited the regulation of his recusal.
What are the political...
He cited the wrong law. It didn't apply to his recusal.
That's true, but I think he was being advised badly at that time.
Yeah, by
and
Obama's holdovers.
That's correct.
You know,
that's right.
Who in the world would believe them?
What about the political fallout before we have to move on here in a second? What about the political fallout, Sara, if he did that?
Well, you know, I don't know if we'd see massive political fallout here. I think he would definitely feel it from Republicans who support Sessions, who don't want to see him removed. But look, I think Sessions is probably the least of it right now, because I think what we're hearing from Sessions and from the Attorney General is that there is things in motion at the DOJ taking place right now that they can't discuss publicly, because remember, we won't even know if there's a grand jury convening on some of this. That is very private. But he did say there was a prosecutor looking into this. I think other people should be more worried. I think the head of the Veterans Administration, Shulkin, should be very concerned. There are a lot of people I've spoken with that said, look, he's not doing his job. He doesn't know how to be a leader. He has an armed guard outside the door. People can't access him. What's going on here? So I think there's other people that need to be very worried right now.
Good grief, he cited the wrong law. The DOJ regulation Sessions cited is 28 CFR 45.2 says that no DOJ employee may participate in a criminal investigation or prosecution if he has a personal or political relationship with any person or organization substantially involved in the conduct that is subject of the investigation or prosecution or would be directly affected by the outcome. Now, as Andrew McCarthy at the National Review reported, the regulation he cited applies to a different type of investigation. Once again, the question must be asked, who did the deep state catch Jeff Sessions in bed with? Or what do they have on him? Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me how you feel about this report. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Let's make America great again. Peace.